Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to change saturation in your Discord. So maybe you don't want to change your whole saturation on your whole monitor, but only in Discord for some reason. So I'm here to show you. Now you need to go to user settings and down here to accessibility. Now the first thing you see is, well, this. And this is how you change your saturation. By default it's on 100, but you can change it to 50, you could change it to 0, and as you can see your saturation has changed. Let me just put this back up to 100. But yeah, it's this simple, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. If you want more videos just like this, subscribe, and if you like this video, leave a like. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.